Also kind of a little trick for these. So a rectangular board is 1.2 meters long and 0.8 meters wide. What is the area in milliliters, or millimeters, sorry. So if we draw this, okay, it's 1.2 meters long and 0.8 meters wide. And then it wants the area in millimeters. So I always recommend do the conversion first before you do the area. Always do the conversion first. So we need to convert this from 0.8 meters to 0.8 millimeters. And the conversion is that 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. So if I have 0.8 meters, I put that over 1, and then I multiply by 1 meter, it goes on the bottom, and 1,000 millimeters goes on the top. So this is 800. Use our calculator so you can see 0.8 times 1,000 is 800. So this is 800 millimeters. So I'm going to convert this one to 800 millimeters, and then 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters over 1 times 1 meter on the bottom and 1,000 millimeters on the top gives me 1,200 millimeters. So now when we calculate the area is length times width. So that's going to be 800 times 1,200, and then it's going to be millimeters squared. So 800 times 1,200 is, oh, they gave me a calculator. Why was I doing this by hand? They usually don't give you the calculator for for these, and I realize that since it's the area, so I could have used the calculator the whole time, right? So 0.8 times 1,000 gives me the millimeters, 800. And then 800 times 1,200 is 960,000 millimeters. So it's 960,000, sorry, and then square millimeters. So whenever we do the area, it's going to be squared. Remember, we don't really use this. This is cubic millimeters, which would mean that we had like a box. So again, with these, you always do your conversion first. So now they gave us meters. So the field is 300 meters by 250 meters. What is the area in kilometers? We're going to do this one the same way. So we draw our field. And it's 300 meters by 250 meters. And then it wants to know what's the area in kilometers. So we're going to do the conversion first. So there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So if I start with 250 meters, we put that over 1 times 1,000 meters goes on the bottom and 1 kilometer goes on the top so that the meters will cancel. So we're going to divide. So 250 divided by 1,000 is 0.25 kilometers. So this one is 0.25 kilometers. And then 300 meters, we're also going to divide, right? 300 meters over 1 times 1 kilometer over 1,000 meters. Cancel. So it's 300 divided by 1,000, it's 0.3, 0.3 kilometers. So now to get the area, it's 0.25 times 0.3 kilometers squared. 3 times 0.25. So this is 0.075 kilometers squared. So again, always do your conversion first because otherwise you have to square the conversion. So it's a lot harder to do it that way. So always convert first. Okay, and then the last one is the complex units.